The inauguration of Rashtriya Prerna Sthal marks an important step in preserving and promoting the ideals of selfless leadership and good governance and is expected to serve as a source of inspiration for present and future generations. Moving on, Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya is regarded as one of the greatest social reformers for his contribution to the country. The title Mahamana, meaning a great soul, was primarily given to him by Mahatma Gandhi. He was posthumously awarded India's highest civilian honour, the Bharat Ratna, in 2014.
Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya was a pivotal figure in India's history, renowned for his significant contributions to education and the preservation of Indian culture and values. He was born in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh on December 25, 1861. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya founded the Banaras Hindu University or Kashi Hindu Vishwavidyalaya with the aim of promoting education and fostering the careers of the youth.
महामना जैसे व्यक्तित्व सदियों में एक बार जन्म लेते हैं और आने वाली कई सदियों तक हर पल हर समय उनसे प्रभावित होते हैं। भारत की कितनी ही पीढ़ियों पर महामना जी का ऋण है। वो शिक्षा और योग्यता में उस समय के बड़े से बड़े विद्वानों की बराबरी करते थे। वो आधुनिक सोच और सनातन संस्कारों के संगम थे।
Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya was one of the founders of Bharat Scouts and Guides. He founded the influential English newspaper The Leader from Prayagraj in 1919. He also served as the chairman of Hindustan Times from 1924 to 1946. As a result of his efforts, its Hindi edition, Hindustan Dainik, was launched in 1936. As a lawyer, he defended more than 170 freedom fighters arrested in connection with the Chauri Chaura incident in 1922 and succeeded in getting 155 of them acquitted, while for the rest, he managed to get their death sentences commuted to life imprisonment, thereby saving many lives. He gave up his legal practice in 1911 so that he could devote more time to the service of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi bestowed upon him the honorific title of Mahamana. The title Mahamana, meaning a great soul, was primarily given to him by Mahatma Gandhi in recognition of his unparalleled contributions to education, social reform, and the freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi also considered him like an elder brother and was deeply impressed by his work for the country. In 2014, President's Office announced the Bharat Ratna Award to him posthumously. A key figure in India's independence movement, he is remembered for his significant contributions as a scholar, educational reformer, and politician. Bureau Report, DD India.